not shallow right here either. Oh, gracious. Oh, actually, it's not that cold. I mean, it's cold, but it's not. Of course, my feet might have already been cold. Did I lie? There's bubbling springs. We've done that before, so I'm not going to get any closer because we're heading downstream. But it's pretty. It's low though. Stand still while we do this because we're going to have to try to navigate our way downstream.
Yeah, the pullout that we went to, we tried to do an intro there and it did not work.
And also, there is no way we could go down that bank, especially without shoes on because it's very briary.
It's straight down. We're not sure where, if we were at the right place. And it just didn't seem right.
The alternate route is to come to this waterfall and walk downstream. So that's what we're going to try to do. Creek Hop. We love that though, but not as warm as we were thinking.
No.
It's supposed to be like 81 today, and I think it's probably in the 50s.
Probably right now it's like 55.
Yeah, let's see how that goes. Yeah. But it's supposed to be really pretty, like pretty cascades and stuff. So.
And it's a gorgeous day.
Yeah. Really pretty. It's like parts of the creek we've never seen because we don't go this way.
Yeah.
Man, this is beautiful. But I mean, don't jump without any handholds or anything.
Okay.
Oh. It probably looks super lame in the video. And it's not like you'd hurt yourself too bad if you fell, but
you might scrape your leg a little.
Yeah, it would be uncomfortable for sure.
Maybe you can hand me that.
Yeah, so I guess we're gonna have to walk. I guess we'll have to walk along the side right here. It's a little steep. You can't really tell, but the water's a little. I'm thinking a little deep.
Or is it?
I mean, not deep, but it might be deeper than we want to walk in.
I don't know. Kind of weighing it a little.
Oh, that's cool looking the way it comes down that rock. This looks deep right there. You think it might go from here?
Yeah, maybe that.
All right, well, you lead the way.
Not right there.
I don't know. We decided to try the water instead. One of these rocks aren't slick.
It's a little deep right here. Oh, so cold.
Okay, we
I feel a little disorienting with the water.
We aborted that plan.
Deeper than I thought.
It's deeper than it looks. Yeah, we did it across the rocks. It wasn't that bad.
So lame in the video.
We had to kind of use our hands and our feet though. But this is kind of nice. Uh-oh, this looks like it might be a waterfall.
Yeah.
We might have to go over there. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's gonna be tricky.
Yeah.
We're trying to figure out how to get down this. It's hard to really tell from where you are from the camera, but very rhododendron-y on both sides.
Yeah. And that pool looks very deep.
Very deep. We might start sliding. It might be funny, but it would be really cold. And we don't have our hiking poles. Maybe.
Oh.
Is that moss slick though?
Nah.
It is?
Nah.
Oh. I thought you said yeah. Okay, good. Ooh, it's squishy moss.
Very thick.
Oh, look how pretty. Rhododendron flowers. Yeah, this is so cool. You could slide down that.
Yeah.
But you'd hit that rock and that would be a little painful.
That's the sharp part.
Yeah, yeah, we just went up into the woods. Are your feet cold? Oh no. Oh, this is so cool. Look how beautiful that is. I am so glad we came this way. Yeah, it is not warming up. I guess like that way? I don't know. What do you think? It's just so hard to know. This is really pretty. I can't wait to get to the bottom of it. It is gorgeous. We walk right there. True. It looks kind of fast though.
And maybe slippery. On that side.
This is what we have to climb over. Just made it. What kind of moss is that? No, this moss is super cool. I have to step on it, but it's very soft. It's like long grass, and
Yeah, it's like a little
flowers,
micro-world.
and there's another waterfall. Oh yeah? We might have made it! And we might be stuck on this side.
Looks so cool.
Look how pretty that is right there. Oh my gosh, I think we can get across right there. We think we might have found it. Ah!
The waterfall's right here. Oh my goodness.
It's really tall.
Super tall. I don't know how we're gonna get up that.
Oh my goodness.
What in the world?
Wow. I want to get to the base though because that tree's in the way. Oh, we maybe right here even.
Yeah.
Or out through the woods right there. We're gonna try this pool right here, pretty deep. We're gonna try to see if we can scale our way around to get to the base of it.
That looks like
How beautiful is this? Oh my goodness. I'm impressed. Super impressed. I mean, it's great that there's no trail to it because there's no trash or people.
Yeah, it feels secluded. It's really nice.
There is one up above this we might try to get to.
There's rhododendron on the top, like how it's completely solid.
Yeah, oh yeah, true. Oh, look how pretty it is. Oh my goodness. listen to it, the way it's slapping unevenly. That's kind of cool sounding. It is cool. I've never seen that. Oh, probably because part of it's coming this way and part of it's coming down. Oh, true. We did not plan this.
Your nerd ears.
We just climbed basically straight up beside that other waterfall, but we think we found it. This is what we love to do, off-trailing,
Yes.
discovering,
Oh, yeah, it's actually better than I was expecting.
discovering stuff that not many people
I don't want any besides better. You think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's taller than I thought.
Yeah. Probably better than I was expecting.
Both of them.
Yeah.
This is exactly what we like to do.
How'd you do this?
Oh no!
That's dead.
She did it! Oh no! I say it's the log crash.
Oh, wow, the hole is deep at the bottom. Wow, that's so pretty.
Wow. You could get in here.
Oh yeah. You feel like swim.
Well, especially because when we just came up, well, it would be like that. I mean, that wouldn't be even that bad. I'd rather that than bramble. We just measured as best that we could to see how deep this is. Or was it right?
I think it's like right here.
Right there. That's like, look how much farther over Jess's head that is. We're like 5'4", 5'5".
Yeah, that's like what, like
6.5 feet deep at least.
Yeah.
Right? And that's not even the deepest part.
Yeah.
Pretty steep right here, and it's a little wet underneath these leaves. A little slippery. Fall. Never fall. Hopefully we can be heard.
Yeah, it's
Over
pretty
the
loud
water.
right now.
And we had it underwater, so it might muffle. But
Yeah.
that was amazing.
Yeah, that was like one of the best
Yeah.
rock hops.
And we've lived here for so long, we've never seen those. I love that. That's so cool.
Yeah, that was so cool. That was really good.
We're trying to figure out the best way to get out of here.
Yeah, we thought about, because there is a trail up there somewhere, we thought maybe we should go that
Yeah,
way.
the trail we did last week.
Yeah.
It's actually right up there somewhere.
Yeah, we don't really know how far that is. And it looks pretty,
What we went up for was pretty steep.
yeah, steep and rhododendron everywhere.
But the rock hop down, it was really fun, but it was not easy at times.
Yeah, it was very technical in places. Like you had to figure out, like, you know, how to get there.
And 215 is up this way, so we're thinking we're going to try that.
It's steep.
It's steep.
But we think it's not too far. And we're also wondering like where we were supposed to come down from 215. Like where on 215 is that?
But if there's a lot of briars, I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to do it.
Yeah.
I'm not sure that's something your feet can ever get used to.
Getting stuck with briars, I don't know.
I don't know.
So I guess we're gonna just try heading up the bank.
Yeah.
If it gets too bad, we'll come back down and go back over the rock.
If our battery doesn't die, we'll let everyone know what we did.
Yeah.
But it is getting low already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look how beautiful. Look at that tree growing on that rock. It's cool. All right, sending Jess on ahead to kind of check and see if I can do it because I'm not wearing shoes, so. All right, I guess we're gonna try it. I don't do a lot of off-trailing barefoot. Okay, so we just climbed up that very steep part, and now we are in the middle of just bushes.
We're thinking the road should be closed.
We're hoping the road is closed. Well, that's what we came up, but I think we're almost there. We're hearing cars.
That was way better. All of that was way better than we thought.
Yeah, we made it. Thank you, Jesus. Look, and there's bloomed laurel that we missed last week. But now we have to walk. Now we have to walk up to our car. Look how blue the sky is.